Okay, we're back 1 day later. It's getting, I think this is the third night or fourth night in a row where we're working on this Chrysler, and my voice isn't getting any better. So this is part number 2. So now we are continuing our work on the Chrysler. So today we are putting back the control arm and the brakes and everything, and hopefully we can mount everything on the subframe as well, get the bolts back, so that is intact. Then we're gonna put on the wheel, and hopefully we can just lower the car down so we can get it on the ground again. After that, I bought some new wipers that we're gonna put on. We're gonna try to start the engine and see if the check engine light will disappear or if it will be there forever now. But since I put back the vacuum pump or the EGR valve, maybe the check engine will disappear. We don't know. Earlier today I changed the parking light bulbs from the LED ones to just normal from Philips, and I think it looks much better. Let's see if you can see what I mean. Maybe we can put on that ones. So this is just normal parking light, almost like a yellow light. Normal warmth in these, so they look much better than the other ones. So that is good. I think that looks much better, and hopefully the MOT or the car inspection will approve it. So I will stop talking, and hopefully I will get some help from my friend Benjamin that will join me. So if you see a random guy in this video, you know who it is. Let's get to work. Oh, fuck. I sprayed some anti-corrosion spray, and then we're gonna put on some anti-seize on these bolts. Let's see how old this is. Okay, so now we have, with Benjamin's help, we put the bolt in, and the linkage arm or lower control arm is really solid. That feels great. The only bolts we got left to keep in place is a few bolts under here that will keep the subframe, pushing the lower control arm up into the frame. But we will wait with that, and then we'll do all the bolts for the subframe later on. So now we will put this on, and we start with the lower control arm bolt down here, castle nut. There we go. So that is just hand tight for now, and then we will tidy it up a little bit later. Finally, and then we'll see if we can lower this car down. Yeah, and then try to start the car again. And as always, star pattern. So now I've looked over the cables and we got 2 extra positive cables coming down to 2 relays, and then they are split into other cables and out here. I disconnected the relays and nothing happened with the lights, so everything is working. So I will just get this off and pull the wires back so the front is flat again. And I think these holes will be covered by the license plate, but for now I'll just cut this off. I'm saving the cables if we would need to remount the headlights. So they attached these cables on the inside with plastic stranglers, cat stranglers. So we're trying to just cut them loose so we can pull the cables in or out. Här kommer den. Var kommer den? Ja, bra.
Den här svarta.
Jaha, där sitter den. Det här är jord. So now we're doing a bit of cleanup. We're removing all the cables, and the final 2 positive cables from the positive terminal of the battery is removed. It's a bit fiddly with these small nuts and bolts, but we're getting through it. So there was 2 relays over here that are still there, but we're going to remove them. And a bunch of cables, all of that was inside the grill, so it's quite nice to get all of those gone. Progress, progress, progress. Dum dum dum. Let's see if it starts.
First try.
Yeah. No check engine light. We need some gas. Det låter fint alltså.
Lite V6.
Ja. Nice. Sounds pretty good. Ooh. Yeah. Okay. Here we go again. Oj, vad bromsar känns mjuka. Så där ja. Ska du hänga med eller? Stänger till dörren där bara. Ja, precis.
Och så får vi tänka på att vi har ingen regel fram.
Nej, just det. Jag tror vi inte ska inte.
Det hör ju.
Ja. Ja, men det är bak. Men ja, det är både bak men också.
Ja, bromsarna känns lite mjuka.
Testa köra runt här.
Vi kör på en stor väg för om man fastnar då fastnar man. Ja, det är lust att springa och öppna.
Pretty good. First ride. There was a check engine light and we had some noise from the front and back. I don't know. But otherwise, pretty okay. Runs pretty good to be been standing still for so long, so that's good. Okay, I think that's it for today. Yeah, so we're calling it tonight. Call it a night. Call it
Call it tonight.
Call it tonight. Yeah. As I said, pretty good ride. Was some noise and squeaks and a check engine light, but the temperature was okay. All the gauges worked and everything, so it's pretty good. We got some noise on the brake on the front left that we need to look at. I don't know if I put the brake disc a bit side, not perfectly straight, or where it is. And I gotta find a OBD2 reader so I can read the check engine light and see what it is. Probably it is the EGR valve sensor or something that is causing the check engine, but we'll see. But that is it for this episode. It's been quite a lot of things going on, but we will keep working on this one and see you on the next episode. Ciao!
Hello.
Battery exhausted. Så då.